Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have Oppo Reno 11F and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have this notification when you try search something on your Google Play Store, but if you have your connection with internet but you can't surf in it. To fix it, go back to the main menu and open Settings application, where we choose our additional settings selection right there and tap on our date and time. As you can see, our set time automatically option is off. To fix it, we must change it by switch on, and that's all. We can go back and try search something, and it is working right now and we can surf in it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.